today we're going to remove the cats from this 2014 Ford Mustang V6. Alright, first thing we're going to do is go ahead and lift up the car and secure it with some jack stands. Next thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and spray down all those nuts with some WD-40. Alright, we're going to start off by spraying the rear bolts. Just get them all nice and wet. Then we'll get the ones up here. Alright, and we'll spray the oxygen sensor up here. It's kind of hard to see, but let me try to reposition the light. See if we get better lighting. There it is, just enough to see up there. Spray that one. Spray that one there. And then let's do the driver's side as well. And keep it a little elevated. There it goes. Sweet. And we'll just let those soak for a little bit and we'll knock them off. First thing we're going to do is remove these oxygen sensors, get them out of the way. The way I'm going to do that is using the 7/8 with that rubber mallet. I'm going to tap it out right here to knock them loose. Alright, and there's the oxygen sensor. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove this one from there. This one's a little bit trickier to get to. You have to reach from underneath here. Barely have any room. Alright, just like so. There's hardly any room in there to get that sucker off. Alright, so I was able to get the driver and passenger oxygen sensors off. The bank 2, the one that goes into the cat, but I wasn't able to get bank 1. So what I did was unplug the pigtail, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I'm gonna just drop the exhaust, and then I'll take them off when I have the exhaust off. Alright, so I couldn't get it from the bottom, but from the top it looks like it's pretty easy. It's that blue cable right over there. Just have to reach. Yep. And let me just undo it. And there it is. Now we'll go ahead and take off the nuts from the bottom, from both sides, the top and the bottom, from the bottom of the car to drop the exhaust. Just be careful when you reach up in there because I got pretty scratched up. Alright, here I have all my extensions with a swivel using 1/2 inch air gun. So let's go ahead and take that off. Alright, so here I have the impact and the extension is going all the way up, and we'll just try to drive it out. I'm gonna need both hands for sure. Alright, there's the first one. Now let's go ahead and remove that second one from right there. Alright, and I have this one set up. I don't think I mentioned, it's a size 15mm socket that I'm using to take these nuts off. So it's a size 15. So let me go ahead and take that one off. Alright, and there it is. I had to spray this one down with some WD-40 again. And now I'm going to get the other side. Alright, and there it is. Both of the nuts are gone, as well for the passenger side. Now we'll go ahead and remove the nuts on this mid-pipe. Alright, these are also going to be a size 15. Alright, just make sure you grab the other mid-pipe with your other arm, so you kind of support it as it comes down. And then let's see if we can try to disconnect it from here. If not, then we're gonna have to disconnect it from the rear to be able to undo these from here. Alright, and it looks like we will have to lift it from the rear to be able to loosen the hooks from the back or the clamps and be able to drop the exhaust. So go ahead and make sure your jack stands are secured. You're going to pull the jack and we're going to put it underneath the axle at the back. Alright, the car's off all fours. Now we're going to go to the rear. And we're going to undo those clamps right there to undo the pipes and be able to drop off the cats. These are also a size 15. So let's go ahead and drive this out. Oh, I'm sorry. This one is not a size 15. I'm sorry, this one is a size 13. Let's go ahead and take that off. Alright, there it is. Now we're going to go ahead and undo the other side as well. Looks like this has a single chamber flow master. Nice. Alright, and I undid this pipe here. Now we're going to go to the other side and do the same. Alright, I'm actually going to use the swivel. This one's at a weird angle. Alright, there it is. Now I'm going to just undo this pipe from here. I'm going to need both hands to undo it from here. Alright, there it is. Now we should be able to push these pipes back a little to undo it from there and drops the cats down, hopefully. Alright, now see if I could undo it from here. Hopefully I could. And it should be a wrap. Alright, so it still doesn't want to budge, but I was able to knock it down from here. Now I just need to get that other side. There it is. Now they should be able to slide off. There that is. Sweet. And these are one of the hardest cats I've ever had to change. But there it is. Now we just got to remove those sucky oxygen sensors that are stuck up on top. Alright, I knocked this one loose already. So I thought I did. I know it's loose. I knocked it loose already. See? So now we're going to knock this one off. And the way I'm going to do is with this rubber mallet, just grab this in and hit the mallet right there in the center, closer to my thumb. Alright, this one was a bit stiffer, so I just had to grab it like this and just hit it right at the end. There it is. Now these oxygen sensors are loose. This is the passenger side. So we'll stick this right here on this side and the other one on the other side. And we're done. And that is how you remove the cats from a 2014 Ford Mustang V6. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.